Germ Theory of Disease. A doodle-style breakdown from Park's textbook of preventive and social medicine. Part 1. The Great Paradigm Shift. How medicine moved from noxious odors to microscopic invaders. Pre-germ era, miasma theory. Explains how public health evolved from targeting environmental odors to directly controlling disease-causing germs. Miasma concept. Ancient belief that diseases were caused by bad air or noxious vapors from decaying organic matter. Bacteriological era. Late 19th century discovery that specific living organisms cause specific diseases. Sanitation shift transformed public health from general odor cleanup to targeted pathogen control. Scientific milestone laid the groundwork for modern epidemiology, infection control, and hygiene. Key pioneers of germ theory outlines the core contributions of Pasteur and Koch in establishing microbiology and bacteriology. Louis Pasteur, the father of microbiology, proved microorganisms cause fermentation and decay, disproved spontaneous generation via Swanneck flask experiments, developed rabies and anthrax vaccines. Robert Koch, the master of bacteriology, formulated Koch's postulates to prove disease etiology, discovered Bacillus anthracis and Mycobacterium tuberculosis, established pure culture staining techniques. Koch's postulates, the four rules, summarize the four experimental rules used to conclusively prove that a specific microbe causes a specific disease. Constant presence. Organism must be found in every case of the disease under compatible lesions. Pure isolation. Pathogen must be isolated and grown in a pure culture medium outside host. Reproduction. Cultured organism must reproduce the disease when inoculated into susceptible host. Re-isolation. Pathogen must be re-isolated from experimentally infected host organism. Single cause model. 1-1 concept describes the early public health model where each specific disease was attributed to a single corresponding pathogen. 1-1 concept. One germ is equal to one specific disease. Core idea in early SPM posits a strict 1-to-1 relationship between cause and illness, example, Vibrio cholerae cholera. Impact. Revolutionized early public health by introducing targeted chemotherapies, vaccines, vector control, and quarantine procedures. Microbes under the lens. Details the practical medical advancements, antiseptics, antibiotics, and vaccines unlocked by targeting specific microbes. Specific target identified exactly what microscopic agent to attack in outbreaks. Antisepsis and sterilization inspired Joseph Lister's aseptic surgical practices. Antibiotic era paved the way for penicillin and antimicrobial therapies. Vaccination allowed targeted active immunization against specific bacterial toxins. Part 2. The Public Health Critique. Why modern community medicine moves beyond the single germ idea. Focusing on the limitations of relying solely on the single germ model in modern community medicine. Why germ theory is incomplete highlights why germs alone do not fully explain disease occurrence, especially regarding social factors and non-communicable diseases. Necessary versus sufficient cause. A germ is a necessary factor, but rarely sufficient by itself. The tuberculosis paradox. Tubercle bacilli cause TB, but poverty, malnutrition, and overcrowding determine who actually falls ill. Limitation on NCDs. Germ theory fails to explain modern lifestyle conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and coronary heart disease. The epidemiological triad presents the multifactorial framework showing that disease is an interaction between the agent, host, and environment. Agent, the pathogen, bacteria, virus, parasite, originally the sole focus of germ theory. Host, human immunity, genetic susceptibility, age, nutrition, and behavioral factors. Environment, living conditions, housing density, sanitation, and social determinants. SPM takeaway: disease occurs only when agent, host, and environment interact. Spectrum of disease causation compares different health conditions to show that while germs drive acute outbreaks, broader social and multifactorial webs drive endemic and chronic diseases. Acute bacterial outbreaks, single germ role, 85%. Endemic infections, TB, leprosy, germ plus social web, 55%. Chronic NCDs, heart disease, multifactorial web, 90%. Park's SPM perspective: germ theory is a crucial cornerstone, but public health requires looking at the total web of causation,